Galaxy Note 9 is already receiving its biggest Samsung upgrade yet. Galaxy Note 9 is already being granted Android 9 Pie with Samsung's One UI skin running on top of it, according to an owner of the flagship Fabolt. Galaxy Note 9 arrived in August, the same month Google unveiled Android 9 Pie. However, at the time the Samsung device did not come pre-installed with the latest and greatest software from the Mountain View firm. Instead, the Fabolt arrived running Android 8 Aria. Since its release, Android 9 Pie has arrived on a legion of smartphones from the likes of Sony, Huawei, and OnePlus. However, Samsung had been notably absent from detailing when its devices would receive the highly anticipated upgrade. That changed when Samsung announced One UI, its new skin that would run on top of Google's latest and greatest. Moreover, the firm recently issued fans with an updated list of when its products would receive such an update. Although Samsung stated the Note 9 would receive Android 9 Pie this month, it did not clarify an exact date for when owners could download it. However, one fan has already posted images of the software update in question, suggesting Samsung is already rolling it out. The owner was from Germany and had been involved in the One UI beta program, which is why the update was only 95 MB. It is currently unknown if One UI and Android 9 Pie is arriving for all Note 9 owners or just those that were involved in the beta initiative. However, when the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus received its respective upgrade, all fans appeared to be granted it at a similar time. Finally, it is also unclear whether One UI and Android 9 Pie is being rolled out in countries other than Germany.